Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never asked. If this is the promise of the universe, inspired to make you mine, until the day I die, I'm blessed the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of those seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I belong here. In your arms I found the answers. Somehow nothing would seem as strong here if they only realize that I was born for you and that you were born for me. And in this random world, is this really meant to be? What we have the world could never understand. Whatever take you in, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have the world could never understand. Whatever take you in, and as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.